Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're out here going shopping a little bit as usual from our channel. We have everybody in the car. As you can see, everyone's in the car. We're on our way to Jungle Gyms. It's a really big store. It's an international store. It has really good stuff. So I want you guys to come along and see it with us as we're shopping today. Okay guys, so we stopped here at McDonald's just to get used to bathroom because it's a 1 hour trip. Now we're closer to our place and destination, so see you guys soon in there. Welcome to Jungle Gyms. Here at Jungle Gyms.
No, $3, $4.
Yeah. This one. Ooh, what do you guys have there?
We got chocolate brown ice cream.
What about you?
I got the cookies and cream ice cream.
Ooh, it looks good. And this is mine. Is the lemon marouge pie. It's pretty sour and like a nice bit of sour and sweet. You know what I mean? Very delicious. Very nice. is nice. Yes, yeah.
Easy like this actually looks way better.
Right now we're eating because we're so hungry and we didn't eat much at home. So right now everybody's eating. We got some cool drink. Like look at this, Mirinda. Yeah. We got like 7-Up and we ate like some bread with avocado. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be bread. Yeah, you see? Yeah, look at that. That's the eat. And they got some. Oh yes, this cakes. They're so good. Like they're so good. This cake, so good. Some plantain chips, of course, and this waffle. With, oh no, not a waffle. Croissant from Jungle Gyms. They're pretty good too. Okay, guys, we finally arrived home, and this is everything that we bought today. Like everything that we bought today. We have a bunch of vegetables over there because again the place that we went to is an hour away from home. So whenever we do go there, we buy a lot of vegetables because that is the only time that we can actually buy vegetables other than the one that we regularly eat, which is kale. But these are other ones which really helps with the body, especially for blood and iron. And then we got a big tortilla right here because the boys in this house love to eat, especially a burrito. They love that. And then we got this. They taste so good. This is sweet potato. I don't know if this is like, I don't know what it's called in English, but they're really delicious and good. And some plantain, yeah, yep, some yuca. And then this is something like different, kind of like yuca, but it's like tastes really good. And some plantains. And this like fish we got in the Vietnamese store. My dad loves this. And some French bread from Jungle Gyms and Parle G. That is all that we got today. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you guys really like and subscribe for more videos like this. It'll be really nice so that we can grow our channel together and just become part of the community, guys. It's good to support one another. So thank you guys so much. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification so you can tune in for more videos just like this. Okay, see you guys in the next video.